Hey, this is Bonnie, and tonight we are making Thai-style coconut beef simple plate meal from Thrive Life. I have my two lovely assistants here with me that are going to be helping me make dinner.
Yeah.
And this is going to be a 4-person simple plate, and total time should be about 20 minutes. All right, so we already have our water boiling. You want to, anytime you're making any type of noodles, you want to go ahead and make sure you have some salt in there. That's going to season the noodles. And we have our noodles. So we're going to go ahead and put these in here. And then those rice noodles are going to cook while we're doing everything else. Okay, now from your pantry, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. And you're also going to need 5 cups of water. All right, everything else is provided in the simple plate. So, first, just a minute. Thank you. Okay, all right. Okay. It's okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put our 2 tablespoons of butter in our hot saute pan to melt. Let me get a glove out of here. All right, and I need, Elise, can you get me the garlic? Henry, can you find the garlic? Nope. Step number 2, there we go.
Can I pour it?
No. Let me set that there so it doesn't fall back down there again. All right, so we got our garlic here. Yeah, you can pour it in. And you can see all these packets are numbered by the steps. There you go. Which also coincides with step number 2 on our recipe card. All right.
Look at that.
Got it. Just a minute. All right. So you want to give this about 30 seconds.
Smell this, Mommy.
It's going to bring all that flavor out of the garlic. Okay. Got the next one? Thank you. All right. I'm going to go ahead and add our 5 cups of water in here.
Whoa.
Yep. There we go.
That's gonna spill.
In.
I do it.
No, Elise can do this one.
I'll do this one. Yeah.
All right, let me. Okay, go ahead and pour that in. Good job. That one's next.
I'll do it.
We're gonna do all the ones that say number 3. Wait. Okay. All right, go ahead. Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll try.
Now let Bubby do this one.
Good. Mushroom? Yeah. Mushroom.
Not yet.
Aww.
All right, this is number 3. You want to do this one?
Yeah. I'll do this one. Ooh.
Okay, let me make sure this bag is open here. All right, you two put that one in there. Oh, I'm sorry. We're getting so wrapped up in the kids putting these in. All right, so we had the veggie mix, which is carrot dices, mushrooms, and green bell peppers. We also had our shredded beef, which was the first thing that we put in. And this little packet here was our chef's choice seasoning. All right, and next we have our onion mix, which is a mix of diced as well as green onions.
Green onions. I would not like that. That's okay. Because onions.
That's okay. Daddy will be all right.
Because I'll take them out.
Okay. So we're going to mix this all in. No. It's way too full. Okay, so once we've got this simmering, we want to go ahead and set our timer for 4 minutes, and then that's just going to simmer for 4 minutes.
Yeah, that. I like the glass and use that
Our noodles should just about be done.
I got food to eat. I got eat it. Got eat it.
All right, perfect. So those are done. I'm going to go ahead and strain them. Okay, so now we want to whisk in our coconut curry sauce mix.
Yay, me! Yay, me! Yay, me!
All right, so you're going to pour that in the pan while I whisk. Make sure we actually get it in the pan. Perfect. Good job.
Oh, empty.
That's delicious.
Yes, Mommy. Yes. Mommy. I want to steady now.
Okay, hang on.
Okay.
No, I gotta do this part. Okay, so now we are going to set our timer for 6 more minutes.
Mommy,
And we're going to let that simmer down and thicken that curry sauce. Okay, so we've simmered for 6 minutes. Sauce has gotten nice and thick. And then we've got, it looks like everything
Is it
has rehydrated really well.
the trying time?
No, not yet. Okay, so we've turned off our heat. We are going to take our strained rice noodles and put them into our pan. Wait.
I want some too.
No, just wait. All right, so now we're going to let this rest for 5 minutes. All the flavors are going to infuse. It's going to cool down. All right, so now we are going to taste our coconut beef curry. You want some too?
Yeah.
I want some. I want some too.
All right.
Put it down.
Has just a little bit of spice.
I want some too. I want some.
Can I have some?
We've also got the sweet coconut.
I want
Oh,
some.
hot.
I want some too.
Hot.
Too hot?
Yeah.
I want some. I want some.
Hang on.
Mm.
That's good?
Yeah.
Hot, hot.
I give your
Hot, hot.
hey, mommy.
Hot.
Mm-hmm.
I give your noodles 2 thumbs up.
Good. I'm glad.
That's your noodles.
That should be cool now. Try it.
That's your guys.
No? Okay. All right.
That's good.
So there we have it. We've got
Mommy.
Thai style coconut beef in 20 minutes. Everything's shelf stable ingredients that can be stored in the cupboard,
That's good.
and we have a healthy dinner. So, bon appetit.
That's good.